blasted by the wave. Oh!
What are we doing right now?
We are taking more advantage of all inclusive at the other resort, and we're gonna go to the buffet for lunch. See what they have.
Lunchtime buffet. We got our drinks, so now we're gonna go grab some food.
This is stoba, which is pretty much like beef stew, but since Curacao is such a big blend of cultures, it's like uniquely seasoned and spiced. It's got some beautiful chicken. Today, fried rice does not taste like Asian fried rice at all. And then they love fish soup here. I got fish soup, which is pretty good.
Over on my plate, we got some fried fish, some barbecue chicken, what I have to assume is a pork chop. We got the fried rice, and I already ate the pasta. It was really good. My plate is a lot more simple than Riley's, but we're gonna enjoy it. It's probably the best fried fish
Ever.
ever.
You can tell because I'm not eating it with any sauce.
This is where we had our romantic dinner the other night.
It's cool. It's a beautiful resort, really.
It is.
Get the best of both worlds.
And then we get over here, and it looks like they are building some kind of beach pods.
Yeah, it does. They look really cool.
Decided we're gonna come back and see that in the future.
Yeah.
So we have to come back.
I see the water, so.
We made it and survived the dirt road.
Yeah, we just gotta survive it back.
That looks like a big hole right there.
Yeah, it does look like a big hole. That's nice. Big hole.
Found a big hole.
You think you can dive in there?
I think you could. I don't think it's recommended. There's a little tide pool. What?
It's our shop.
Yeah. Scary. A blowhole. Perfect timing. Wow. Just think there's a whale down there. So the way the blowhole works is when the waves come crashing in, it goes under these rock layer that you can see, and there happens to be a hole, I guess formed from the wave, and it all just sprays up out of there, and then it looks like a blowhole. Pretty cool. Geologically! An albino crab.
Why are you so close to them?
Because you can't see them otherwise. They're so small. Alright, we're following the arrows.
There's an arrow, 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 yellow rock. Thorn.
Like everywhere on the island.
My head.
Oh no.
I'm stuck. My butt. Follow the yellow and blue rocks.
Just like the song says.
Follow the yellow and blue rocks. Like orange, like there. Oh, there's more yellow rock. Oh, look at this view. Should have grabbed my sunglasses.
You want mine? You could go for miles. Miles. Damn now.
Look how close we are to the edge.
That's about a meter. That's about 3 feet from the edge of a cliff that goes straight down into the ocean.
Look at me smile. Cliff flap.
Why?
Look at this. Look at
Oh, there's
that.
an arch.
Whoa.
Who needs Shete Boca? This is Shete Boca.
What the hell? And nobody else is here. Why isn't anybody else here? Danger.
What's your middle name?
Not danger. Yellow, yellow. Oh, there's more yellow down here.
Oh,
And more yellow over there.
we took the danger path
We did.
because we live on the edge of cliffs. There's something right here.
Oh my god.
It looks like a beach.
That's cool.
It's got to be a little pathway somewhere.
Yeah. We get down there that way?
I don't know. It doesn't look like the way. Maybe we go around here.
I mean, we could.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe more over this way.
Yeah.
Let's try to follow the thing. See. Ah. Cool.
And a little path.
Nice.
And more yellow trees.
More yellow. More yellow. We're getting down there. Getting down to the beach. So much yellow. There is a little pathway. Nice.
Glad we didn't decide to rock climb. Although I'm sure we could have done it.
Now we could have done it. Wow. Look!
Secret beach. We'll throw this away later. Save the world. Ow! Kick rocks.
Nobody can. Look at them.
What is that? Oh,
It's a shell. It's
That is
purple and
the
pink.
coolest shell I've ever seen. Nice job, buddy. He's like the pimp my house snail.
Oh, look, what's up here?
Whatever that thing is, I there's another one. I think there's slugs of some sort.
Some sort. Let's go over here. Whoa. I wanted to go over there, but...
Oh no. Is he okay?
Yeah.
You gotta time it.
Okay.
Go.
The goal is to go over to the little cave thing, but we might get assaulted by the waves. Oh, look at the crab! Staring at a crab.
He's a big one.
Yeah.
They're huge.
They're running everywhere.
You're standing right in front of the big splash, though.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm high on rolling around in the water. We pretended to be Ariel and then some manatees.
We became part of that world.
But I can't Google right now. If it's got a name, I put it right there.
It's on the sea fan. On the surface world. And also a sea sponge. We found SpongeBob. He's covered in flies now. He's not doing too good. But we found him. We found Mr. Krabs over there. We found so much right here in this little beach. Wow. Cool. We saw a bird. Where else do you see a bird? There was 2 mermaids right here on the beach. It's crazy. Right there, all the birds are perched on a footpath. Whoa! Oh, right there.
They're all chilling on the rock.
I think we've been here for a little over an hour now.
I think we've been here for 2 hours.
2 hours, and now we're
Maybe
gonna.
2.5 hours.
We've been here for a while.
Yeah.
Who keeps track of time, anyways?
When you're on the beach.
So now we're gonna head back to our car, and I guess drive back to our resort. Get some dinner. Go to the pool again. I'm looking back for confirmation, but we don't know yet.
Go another sunset.
We might go for another sunset. Vámonos! We are finding
a beach to see the rest of the sunset. I think it's starting to set already. 6:44. So
6:55.
it's 6:55. The clock, the car's a liar.
And the sun sets on the dot, 7 o'clock in Curacao. Maybe not on the dot, but pretty close to the dot. a lot of stray dogs out here. We are walking up the beach from our little beach sunset, and we're ready to run away as fast as we can. Amanda, we're waiting by the car.
Nobody else is here.
Hey, buddy. They don't look like they're in like awful condition.
No, they're probably not. They probably get fed a lot.
Yeah. All right, so we are just got to the Dreams Resort after our long day of adventure. Now we're gonna go into Oceana.
I tried to clip my hair up
Riley tried to clip her hair up.
to be like a little bit more presentable, but I don't know if it really helped.
It is just a casual dress code, so we're just gonna roll right in. Have a nice seafood dinner.
Yeah. So we had the lobster bisque. We ate it, but it wasn't really like lobster bisque. It was like broth. There was no lobster. It wasn't cream. But I got coconut cream, salmon curry, salmon curry.
And I got Cajun shrimps.
They look good.
We're still waiting for our crab cake though.
Haven't got crab cake yet. Got the crab cakes, and Brian got a coconut cake, and I got cats. We all have our own successes.